So the first thing I did was use my Safe and Mighty in the for the toilet bowl cleaner. Smells like peppermint. And then I use my Tough and Tender to help get the toilet on the outside. That's my one cleaner that I use. So then, what I'm going to do next, I got some paper towels, I got those. Going to scrub it up, dub the toilet up while my Tough and Tender is still going. Probably wondering, like, why am I doing a video of me cleaning the toilet? Well, everyone cleans the toilet, whether you're at home or the office like I am. So why would I want to show you a video of me cleaning the toilet? Well, I like the EcoSense products. Like I said, it smells like peppermint. I'm not having to scrub a lot. We all got toilets.